to those who struggling with anxiety and overthinking like me. Para sa inyo to. I know how you feel and I know yung pinagdadaanan mo. Di ka nag-iisa. Marami tayo na tahimik na lumalaban at umiiyak na nagtatanong, why me? Bakit ako pa? Maybe you felt giving up just like me. Maybe you're tired of yourself na laging natatalo ng anxiety, worries, at fear. Gusto kong sabihin sa'yo na ako din. Pareho tayo nasawa na sa paulit-ulit na nangyayari. Minsan nga nakakalimutan na natin how to really live. How to be so happy. How to be with ourselves. Dahil we just keep on surviving. Bahala na. Basta malampasan lang natin yung mga oras na inaatake tayo. It's tough. It's really tough. Lalo na pag hinahabol mo na yung hininga mo. Nanlalamig na yung kamay at ang iyong mga paa. Lumalakas ang pintig ng inyong mga puso. Sa mga katulad ko, lagi nating tandaan, hindi tayo nag-iisa. Hindi ka nag-iisang lumalaban. Kasama natin si Lord. Huwag nating paniwalaan ang kaaway na nagsasabing you are alone. God is with us and He is fighting for us. He is always on our side. Even in the midst of our loneliness, anxiety, or kahit anong storm pa yan, God is there in the middle. Sabi sa 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 7, when the burden of life seems so heavy, remember to cast all your anxiety on Him because He cares for you. Lagi nating tatandaan, kapatid, nagki-care sa atin si Lord. Kaya pag inaatake tayo ng anxiety, pagkatakot, pagkabahala, let God handle it. You don't have to fight it alone. Let God do the battles for you. Lagi nating tatandaan sa 2 Chronicles chapter 20 verse 17, you will not even need to fight. Take your positions, then stand still and watch the Lord's victory. Hiyain natin si Lord na siya yung lumaban para sa atin. Kaibigan, declare natin ngayon na yung anxiety is no longer control over our life. The victory is ours. Sabi nga sa John chapter 16 verse 33, I have told you all this so that you may have peace in me. Here on earth you will have many trials and sorrows, but take heart because I have overcome the world. Na-overcome na ni Lord lahat, kaya ma-overcome din natin yan. No? Jesus already won the battles, kaya panalo na tayo. Wala nang control sa atin yung anxiety.